It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The purposefully planned, kid-friendly Pacifica thought of everything, so you don't have to. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Uconnect web Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, remote engine start smart device, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.